be tracking high wind warnings of areas that could see 65 to 75 mile per hour wind gusts. We could see some blowing snow. We also could end up with power outages with winds of this magnitude.
New March. Let's go. Ooh, the batteries sound weak. We have been blessed with snow. It must be crazy. It's like way colder than I thought. I don't care though, I'm sending it. Probably at least 10-mile-an-hour wind. It's starting to flurry, but I'm here. And the worst part about it is I forgot my jacket, my down jacket. I left it laying because I was so excited. I'm gonna start out with a little jig streamer. This will keep me moving, keep me active. I tie an improved clinch knot and then moisten it so you don't burn the knot. I'm not gonna put on any dropper yet because I don't know how long I'm gonna stay. There's been a couple guys here. So this is to give you an idea how deep the snow is. That's a picnic table. And I forgot my down jacket. I also forgot my rubber gloves. Beautiful brown. Okay, I gotta get them unhooked and released. Okay, my hands are wet. Nice brown. There he goes. Whoa. and get a good place to stand. I'm gonna make a few casts. It's a winter wonderland, man. It makes you feel alive. Cabin fever. I don't got cabin fever right now. Right now I got adventure fever. I almost went in the drink. So just so you guys know, I'm using my Echo Shadow X. This is a Euro ESN 10-foot 3-weight. It means ESN European style nymphing rod. And I just got a lamps and liquid, just a cheap reel. And then I'm using a little jig streamer that I made up. Let's move down. I'm gonna go to a hole. I was hoping if I came back here in this canyon, I'd get out of the wind a little bit. Use this stick as a handle. Kind of switch back it down. Lord, please don't let me go through. I ask in Jesus' name. We're almost to the creek. I could just say one thing, guys. Just for the sake of me coming out here to try to create this video, it's very difficult. But it's fun. I'm not complaining, and I'm very grateful to have the freedom to be able to do it. But if you guys would subscribe to the channel, that would help me out a lot. It's fun filming, but if not, no worries. How cold it is. It's my feathers froze to that little piece of ice. I stuck it underwater so it thawed out. Look at that. Stuck on ice. There we go. My feathers are frozen. But it's beautiful. But I gotta get back. Get up this bank.